Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for tuning in to a product review, a product unboxing episode. Today we're going to test out some starry string lights, some fairy lights, and some tea candles to see if I can use them for my Christmas light show, to see if you can use them for your Christmas light show. We're going to unbox some stuff today. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Got a new shout out today that I'm literally going to shout out. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see who I'm talking about. Vought. Shout out to Emily from Vought. Got a hold of me and said, hey Charlie, we have some products for the Christmas light space. Are you interested in maybe reviewing them? I said, sure, gonna give you an honest opinion. They said, cool. And they sent me some starry string lights, which most folks know as fairy lights, and some tea candles. On this side of the review, I'm not certain I can use them for my Christmas light show since we are computerized and animated. I'm not certain that will actually work into our show, but maybe, what do I know? That's why we review them, right? I'm gonna do things a little bit differently today. I am gonna do an unboxing here real quick, and then I thought it would be neat to show what other people are saying about this. So we'll be checking out other reviews of these products as well. There is going to be a coupon code, so stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you what that coupon code is. That is going to be it's a Christmas theme code. I always love Christmas theme codes. I always like it when people send me stuff to review and they offer you guys a discount code. I'm always curious how they incorporate the channel's name into it. It's always neat, and this is another neat one. So stay tuned at the end of the video and I'll give that code out. And that is going to be a coupon code or discount code for all of Vought products, which I thought was nice of them. So shout out to them for doing that for you guys. So let's get to unboxing. Let's see exactly what these things look like. All right, so first up we have the 36 flameless tea candles, flickering, realistic, gorgeous design, battery included. Okay, battery included, 100 plus hours of life. Okay, got a CR 2030 battery. Its material is plastic. Has all their social media stuff there. Anything else of note? LED candles last twice long. Okay, 36 gorgeous candles, kind of the same information there. Okay, let's see what these guys look like. Oh, okay, so well, they kind of all a little bit jumbled. That could be because I had them around. So okay, so they're, let's see here. Quick start guide. Move on-off switch to the on-off position as required. Replace battery with similar coin battery when they run out. So replace the battery when it's a dead battery. It's always great advice. Warranty. Oh, it does have a warranty. Your product is covered by a lifetime warranty. Okay, very nice. Made by Vought. Okay. So the product came a little bit disheveled. Could be because I had it standing up on the table momentarily. Thank you for your purchase. In order to activate your lifetime warranty, register it within 72 hours. Okay, so that's some good information to know. Join the VIP club. Okay, now to the Starry Lights Warm White 66 feet 5 watt social media accounts. Let's see here. Specifications: 200 individual LEDs, 10 centimeter LED distance, 1.5 meter lead distance, water resistant lights, 2700 to 2900 K warm white color temperature, 5 volt 5 watt high quality copper wire. Interesting. Say hi, supportvought.com. Okay, all right, so let's see what they look like inside. Oh, okay. Was not expecting that. See, nothing else in the box. Okay, was not expecting it to be bare copper wire. Surely it's got a coating on there. It appears to be bare copper wire. Very interesting. Okay, so it has a USB plug-in. And it does come with an adapter. Okay, so it's going to be looks like it's going to be on a 120 volt system. Got the VIP card again. Let's see here. Spicing up a room. So it's got the description. It's got specs on there, which we just read off the box. and nothing on the back. Well, that is interesting. Not what I was expecting, but interesting nonetheless. Okay, I was not expecting it to come as bare copper wire. It does feel as if there's maybe a very tiny coating over it, but it is three. I don't know how well you can see that. There's 3 wires. Surely first instinct, first right off the bat, first impression is they appear as if they'll break easy. They appear as if they're copper wire that'll break easy. Surely they won't, right? Let's see. It's got the USB port, which is nice. My outlets behind me are USB outlets, so I can just plug this right into the wall. So for something like that, it works great. You got some strong electrical tape, maybe shrink wrap. Actually, I think it is here at the bottom of it. But this is not what I was expecting. The lights I am used to for fairy lights or starry lights, as these are called, have a plastic sheathing around them to protect them, like all Christmas lights do. But these are interesting. I could see an advantage that these would be easily bendable. You could actually probably use these to spell words on your wall. That might be kind of neat. The LED nodes on here, they look like just drops of dried glue, but they are an LED node. I could tell that just by looking at them. Let's plug them in and see what they look like. So they instantly come on. These do not flick of a button. That's handy. Button feels like it's a strong, it's like it's a strong button, like it's powerful enough to withstand several clicks. Let's give it a quick test here. Let's wrap it around my finger nice and tight. Okay, it's not gonna break. It's not breaking. The more I have my hands on it, the more I can tell there is a plastic coating on that. I am highly impressed with these LED nodes. They have great internal solder points, it looks like. When they first came out, I didn't think I was going to like them. Not very bright, more of an ambiance setting. It only has one setting. That setting is simply on and doesn't flash. There's no, so like firecracker lights and your traditional fairy lights will have different modes, different fades, different sparkles, different shimmers, different dims. This just comes on. Let's see here. It's not bright at all to my eyes. I'll put up some footage here at the end of the video of what this looks like on this set. I'll turn all the other lights off and just have this unwrapped, and so you can kind of see what it looks like on this set. I'm curious to see what these other reviews say about it, so let's look at these other reviews real quick. Alright, so here we are on Amazon. We got the Vought Starry Fairy Light page, and you can see here they have had 6,452 reviews, giving them a grand total of 4.5 out of 5 stars. That is pretty dang neat. 4.6 out of 5 stars actually. Let's see, 78% are 5-star. That is pretty dang neat. Let's see. I trust 2 stars more than I usually trust 1 stars. Let's see. This person says, I was really happy with my lights at first. Hung it in a guest bedroom office, and it was amazing for 3 evenings. Even though I turned it off each night before bed, the lights burnt out after just a few days. I submitted it for an exchange for the same item because I want it to work, but not very hopeful right now. See, somebody commented on that, and it was, oh, somebody from Vought. Okay, looks like Vought checks their reviews. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what a 4-star is. Very nice if you know exactly what they are and what you're getting into. Okay, solid device. Can be used for multiple purposes. Okay, amazing fairy lights for the price. Incredibly impressed by these affordable fairy lights. They give off a nice warm glow, don't heat up, and have an incredibly helpful on-off switch a couple of feet from the plug. Could all Christmas lights please implement this? Well, I for one would not want all Christmas lights to implement that. I have 8,000 strands that I put up, and I'll be pushing a button 8,000 times. So I will say no to that fine request. But one thing I'm impressed with is that when you have almost 6,500 reviews and you're averaging a C plus, almost a B minus for 78% are 5 stars, and a whopping grand total of 89% are 4-star or better. I mean, look at those numbers there: 5%, 2%, 5%. That you don't find that a whole lot. You just don't in Amazon reviews. So 4.5 out of 5 star, with 89% giving it 4 star or better. That's a pretty dang good sign right there. See here, expertly or upgraded with an on-off button, expertly crafted with energy-efficient copper wires, which are 100% waterproof and do not overheat. I'm a huge fan of all things waterproof. So what do I know, right? Apparently these things are highly recommended. I don't know how often you do a review. I live by reviews. I don't make a whole lot of purchases without checking out the reviews. I want to see what other people are saying about a product before I spend money on their product, which is probably why you're watching this review right now, right? When you have 10 reviews on Amazon and it's 4 out of 5 stars, I'm not going to take a whole lot of heart to that. When you have thousands of reviews and you have 4 out of 5 stars, yeah, tells me you probably have a quality product here. So I'm very impressed on this side of the unboxing, because when I first got them out of the box, I thought they were going to break. I thought they were cheaply made. Turns out they're not. Turns out they're very bendable and pliable. With these, I bet you can even spell your name very easy. I can see a huge benefit for decorating a room or brainstorming here. How about a clever proposal out there, fellas? If you want to propose to your girlfriend right now, that'd be kind of a neat thing to write a proposal in. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a sucker for romance. I don't know. Just if you do that, by the way, leave a comment and let me know that I give you that idea, because I'm going to do a little one of these. So apparently these are pretty neat. For my outdoor show, nope, not going to recommend these for my outdoor show, although they are outdoor rated, which is awesome. But because they have the click of the button, it's nothing I can program for my show. Because I am an animated Christmas light show, computerized, and the computer tells the lights when to come on every 1/10 of a second. Yeah, it wouldn't work out for my show. But for decorations, I can see some great uses for this. Let's get to the tea lights real quick and see what they look like. All right, so not a pretty unboxing, not a beautiful unboxing, right? I was noticing that the shelving, the table set down, that was supposed to hold all the lights in place, is bent. So I'm not certain if that's normal or if that got jostled. That was weird, I don't know. So tea candles, as I have an animated Christmas light show, I don't have a use for tea candles. They are kind of neat, but it was nothing I would ever put into my show, because it's not possible to put into an animated Christmas light show. So here's my thought on them. I thought it would be neat. My mother-in-law, who got me just the neatest gift that I'll show in the next video. She used to live in Southwest United States, and luminaries are hugely popular down there. You know, the bags that sit in your driveway or line your front yard. And I thought I'll get her some luminary bags. Boom, I'll pop these bad boys in there. The box says it'll last 100 hours. So I turned one on, got it out of this box, turned it on, and walked away. 4 days later, it died. So it lasts almost 100 hours. So if you order a case of these, and on Vott's site, I believe they're $15.99. They're normally $26 for a case of these, which is what this is. But they're $15.99 right now, I believe. If you got a case of these and you popped a new one in there every 4 days, you don't mind wasting them, that'd be fine. For $26 for a case of 36, normally you're looking not quite $1 a piece. What is that, 75 cents a piece or so? And they're on sale right now for, like I said, $15.99. So they're running you about 50 cents a piece. So if you don't mind spending 50 cents every 4 days per bag, then this is something that could work out for that. Other than that, I'm stuck for ideas. If you have an idea on how I can use these for my Christmas light show, by all means, please leave a comment and share it with everybody else, because I'm stuck. I don't know a whole lot about these. I haven't been able to find any reviews about this particular brand on Amazon, because I couldn't find them on Amazon. I have reached out to their sales rep, Emily, and said, hey, do you have a link for these? Because currently I can't find it. So other than just buying it on their site. So if you have an idea of what these are for, what you can use them for, please let me know. Let everybody know. So we here at Christmas on Crestline, we love our Patreon supporters. We love them. We have a brand new Patreon supporter. And as a $5 a month supporter, Diana Easton, welcome aboard to Christmas on Crestline's Patreon supporters. And as a $5 a month supporter, she gets instant access to two things. Our official Christmas on Crestline ringtone. She gets that free. Boom, here you go. And she gets her name shouted out in a video, which I just did. We have a lower tier, $3, where I'll I'll politely say your name. Diana Easton. Well, that's no one wants me to politely say their name. I'm going to scream it out from the rooftop. Diana Easton, by gosh. And she's also got the ringtone. She's already got that. She got a hold of me real quick. Said, hey, Charlie, I'm a Patreon member. Boom, where's my ringtone? I said, here you go. There you go. So if you're interested in helping us keep the lights on, and you know what? We have 80,000 lights that keep on. So there's a few lights that keep on. So yeah, go to patreon.com. Type in Christmas on Crestline. It'll take you right to our page. You can support us for as little as $3 a month or as much as $1 million.
$1 million.
So yeah, go to patreon.com. Type in Christmas on Crestline. It'll take you to our page. And spoiler alert, that's right, here very, 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 very soon, we're going to be starting brand new shirts. I've had these shirts out forever. Had my Christmas on Crestline logo. You know what? Brand new shirts are coming to the show. Spoiler alert. And you know what? Patreon members, you're going to have first dibs on which one you want, where you want to get it from. You know what? We got some stuff to announce. So pay attention. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, do it. And hit that notification bell so you'll know when our videos come out. We do have other review videos coming out. Starry Lights, we have another set of fairy lights that has come in that we're going to review for a different company. So that's coming up. We have some new strip lights that we're going to review for another company. That video, I've been working on that video for a while actually, because I had to decide what prop I wanted to build. For our Nova Stella strip lights, we built the mirror, and here's the link to that. But we built a DIY vanity mirror out of these strip lights. We taught you how to cut the lights and connect the lights together after you use scissors on lights. How awesome is that? So for this new set of strip lights, they do something. These are the strip lights I've been dying to get my hands on. And luckily for me, the company reached out to me. I didn't even have to go reach out to them. They got a hold of me. But these are the newest technology in LED strip lights on the market today. And I'm very excited about it. I'm hoping I'll like it. I'm still just on the middle portion of reviewing the lights. But we're doing something neat with them. So stay tuned for an episode on that. That's about it for today. Oh, the code. I promised you all the Christmas code, didn't I? Promised you all the code. I apologize. About dang near slipped my mind. So for Vought, if you want any of their products, which I thought was cool, not just these tea lights or just these Starry Lights, but any of their products, go to Vought.com and type in, like I told you earlier at the beginning of the video, I love it when they take a portion of my channel's name and make it into a code. So the code today is Christmas. Kind of a little play on Christmas, but Christmas. So you get 10% off of all of their products on their website. I'll also put a link down below to the Starry Lights here on Amazon. That way, if you want those, if you have an Amazon Prime account, you want to get them there for a different price. They might be a few bucks cheaper. You can go there and buy them from Amazon as well. Or if you want to go to Vought, boom, there's a Christmas, one might say, code for you. That is about it for today. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried a Vought product. I'm curious of their longevity quality. So let me know. That's about it. I'm Charlie. I'll see you in the next video.
Merry Christmas.